How to become a better wave trader. How to become a better wave trader. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders. For Elliott Wave Trading, our website is www.24elliottwaves.com. The title of the video, once again, is How to Become a Better Elliott Wave Trader. Do you want to become a better Elliott Wave trader? Do you need to enhance your Elliott Wave knowledge or skills? Today, I will tell you exactly what you need to do, all right? Very important. So you want to achieve something, you want to know exactly what you need to do. And I will tell you today exactly what you need to do. In order to become, a better wave trader, the first thing first is to have the knowledge. The Elliott Wave theory is a free theory, all right, that you can look for on the internet. One place, 24 Elliott Wave YouTube channel, 24elliottwave.com. On the YouTube, fellow traders posting video about Elliott Wave. On the web, read and improve your knowledge. Very simple. There are 13 specific Elliott Wave patterns. So spend time to learn the internal waves of each pattern, when and where this pattern occur. All right? How to focus this pattern, how to focus the end of the first wave, the second wave, the third wave. All right? How to analyze wave, how to count wave, most important, how to count wave. The theory first, the knowledge. This is about the head, okay? Putting information in the head, Wheezy way, what you put in is what you'll get out, the computer, all right? So put enough knowledge into your head, watch video, read, take note, have a notebook for your Elliott Wave, study, all right? So it's something you find interesting, bookmark it, or write it down and take notes. That's the first stage, the knowledge. No one else can do it for you. You have to go and learn it. And you just need to learn it. We have on our website the 6 guidelines to improve wave count. All right? It's there for free. All right? The Elliott Wave theory, what is the motive wave, what is the corrective wave, what is the anatomy of the corrective wave, what is the psychology of each wave. This is about the knowledge, okay? The second step, which is very, very, very important. What we have found, my friend, a lot of traders know about Elliott Wave. Sometimes traders may correct me even and say, Joe, blah, 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 the theory said this, the theory said that, which is great. This is about the knowledge. But what is lacking is the skill to apply those knowledge. And we cannot cover all this today, so don't take this video as, okay, this is the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Is the truth, but it's not the whole truth. There are more. We can talk about it in this short video. So we'll break it down and give it to you bit by bit. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and we'll be posting more video to help you become a better trader. Okay? The skills. All right? But before we start thinking of a skill, you may wonder, okay, who is going to teach me? Who is going to train me? Because traders always ask me, George, you train people? I do not train people. I talk on a YouTube, I show traders what I do, I share with traders on YouTube. But I don't take people, say, come to my place and I train you. No, I don't do that. Okay, the training is going live on YouTube right now. That's what we are doing here. So, for a skill, you want to know the tool that the professional are using. Now we are talking, isn't it? We are talking. Which tool are the professionals using? To become a better Elliott Wave trader, there are tools that you must use. So in order to develop the skill, you need to use a tool to build those skills. So you want to become a runner, at least you buy a shoe, isn't it? Go to Adidas, buy Adidas shoe, or buy a Nike shoe, and go to the ground. These are some tools, isn't it? And start running, okay? A proper place where you can run. You don't want to run in a muddy place, all right? Unless you want to become a muddy runner, All right. Now, this to make you laugh. I'm serious here, okay? So the tools that the professional are using. So without wasting too much of your time, I'll go directly to the point. The first tool that the professional are using is the Fibonacci. All Elliott Wave professional traders are combining the Elliott Wave theory with the Fibonacci retracement and the Fibonacci extension. So in order to become a better Elliott Wave trader, you must know how to combine Fibonacci and the wave theory. So now what I'm saying is that I want to put you on the right path so you may know what you need to do, because some traders, that's what they need. They just want to know, tell me what I need to do, and I'll go and do it. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm telling you now, and you go and do it, okay? Fibonacci extension, Fibonacci retracement. You want to know more? Go to dayprotrader.com. Especially there's a web page there that I recommend to all traders for free, the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. The second tool that the professional Elliott Wave practitioners are using is what we call fractal. I always get into trouble when I use the word fractal because there is another type of fractal about the chart price structure, okay? About candlestick pattern. I don't talk about that. Anytime you hear me, Georges Beaulieu, talking about fractal, I'm always talking about the predictive fractal pattern. So as he trader went to mark some of our fractal video down, because first they don't know what I'm talking about, and they think that I'm talking about the other fractal, while I only talk about predictive fractal pattern. Okay, Mr. Benoit Mandelbrot. So I am in the theory of Benoit Mandelbrot fractal pattern, predictive fractal pattern. So the point I want to make to you, that professional traders use fractal pattern, the predictive, I need to say predictive, so people don't think that I'm talking about the other fractal pattern that is well known about, well talked about on the internet, but there are only few websites like dayprotrader.com when we talk about predictive fractal pattern for forecasting in real time the next price move. Okay, so the professional Elliott Wave traders, you go to the Elliott Wave International, the professionals that are there, they use predictive fractal pattern. What do I mean by that? All right, if you go to www.24ElliottWave, there is one video, big video, 1 hour video on our home page. You can sit down and watch it, how to combine the wave principle and fractal pattern. And you will know, I'll make a real-time demonstration about what I meant by predictive fractal pattern and how to combine the Elliott Wave theory, the Elliott Wave principle, and a predictive fractal pattern. So, professional, in order to become a better wave trader, one must have the knowledge and the skill. In order to develop the skill, we must use the Elliott Wave tool that the professionals are using. They are using the Fibonacci extension, the Fibonacci retracement. They are using the predictive fractal pattern. I need to remember to say all the time predictive fractal pattern, all right, to forecast the price move. So what the professionals are doing with the predictive fractal pattern, they pay attention to the internal wave of the first and the second wave. That's it. And they apply the predictive fractal pattern to forecast the whole Elliott Wave cycle. If, for instance, my friend, you meet somebody who called themselves, all right, this is not to poke fun of somebody, but I need to say this, okay? Please forgive me, all right? If you see somebody say to you, okay, I know how to focus Elliott Wave, ask him the first question, what is a predictive fractal pattern? Okay? And then, if he doesn't know what is predictive fractal pattern, please, you can stay with him for a day, but don't come back the next day, all right? So professional will use the predictive fractal pattern to forecast the whole cycle by paying attention to the first and the second wave. Now, professional Elliott Wave trader that may watch the video will know that what I'm talking about here, I shouldn't be sharing with you because that's the secret of the wave forecast. They don't talk about it. They do not talk about it. But I'm telling you now because you're my friend, and I promise you that I will not hide anything from you. But there is something else, another tool that a professional or area wave trader use. So you must use the Fibonacci extension, retracement, the predictive fractal pattern. This will allow you to build that skill. And you want to know how to combine the wave theory and the Fibonacci extension retracement, how to combine the wave theory and the predictive fractal pattern, how to combine the wave theory. And the next thing that I'm going to talk about, which is what? The pitchfork tool. Now, all professional traders use the pitchfork tool. Here it is. Very simple, but very powerful. I recorded today a video that I called how to use your pitchfork tool to pinpoint reversal at the end of the motorway. So another tool that the professional traders are using, or in order to become a better area wave trader, one must use the pitchfork tool. So when we are talking about area wave trading, we are talking about wave forecast, wave analysis, all right, price structure, okay, motive wave, all right, corrective wave, wave pattern. So in order to develop all these skills, all right, after we have accumulated a lot of knowledge about the theory, now we must use a real tool, Fibonacci extension, Fibonacci retracement, predictive fractal pattern, and pitchfork tool. Now, I want to say something very fast, which I talked about in another video, is that the pitchfork tool. A lot of traders use pitchfork tool, but they don't know the ultimate role of the pitchfork tool. R-O-L-E, role. The ultimate role of the pitchfork tool is to determine the possible path of a price action during a trend. Now, I will say it again because it's very, very important. The ultimate role of the pitchfork tool is to determine the possible path of the price action during a trend. So, talking about area wave skills. So, following our guidelines, my friend, suppose we see a consolidation. Okay, my friend? Consolidation at a solid, because consolidation does not take place anywhere anyhow, it takes place at a key level. Okay, and then we see a breakout, fundamental are solid, okay, and then a primary up like this, forming the first wave, and then pull back without canceling the first wave. If we see the third wave is underway, this is not about wave count, by the way, for illustration purposes, if we see the third wave underway, we will highlight the low of the first wave, the high of the first wave, and the low of the second wave. Remember that the second wave can be sometimes tricky, it can be a complex second wave, right? We will apply the pitchfork tool to those 3 points here. The low, the high of the first wave, and the low of the second wave. At this point in time, when the third area wave is underway, the area wave practitioner, professional, are expecting that in normal trend, in normal condition, the motive wave will remain within the boundary of this pitchfork tool that we have applied to the first and the second wave. So this is the expectation straight away. So the pitchfork tool will allow us to determine the possible path of the motive wave. If the fundamentals are solid, so remember there won't be any trend, there will be no trend if the fundamentals are not solid. If you have to, that's why I say we want to align multi-talented trading triangle, market first, the sector before the individual financial instrument. Okay, so this is how professional. If the trend is becoming strong, the professional area wave trader will expect the price to go above the pitchfork tool or to ride at least the upper side of the pitchfork tool. The reversal will take place, which I also record a video today about how to use your pitchfork tool to pinpoint reversal at the end of the motorway. So I will just refer you to that. So in order to develop those skills, one must use, the pitchfork tool. So these are just 3 powerful tools that somebody who wants to become a better trader should use and to develop, okay, a professional wave trader skill. All right. So Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci extensions. So group that into Fibonacci at dayprotrader.com, on YouTube, on the web. You want to know, you want to watch videos that we posted already on YouTube, how to combine the wave principle and Fibonacci. Remember that one video is not enough. We are recording more video, all right, to show traders how one can use, combine Elliott wave and Fibonacci. This is about the skills. So you are learning on YouTube, which is an open classroom for free, all right. Now you will use a demo account. You will test it. You apply it. So first, the knowledge. The knowledge. Have a tablet, read, go to website, read, dig in, learn. All right? Don't learn useless stuff. What do I mean by useless stuff? Things that are constantly violating market pattern and market principle. These are useless trading system, trading strategies that are not respecting the market pattern. So we don't want to go there now, okay? All right? We don't want to go there now. But, all right? So learn to the theory first, which is the knowledge, and then apply Fibonacci, combine Fibonacci and the wave theory to develop better wave trader skill. All right? It makes sense? The next thing you want to use is the predictive fractal pattern. In fact, my friend, if you do not, you never learn about, I need to be honest with you, if you never learn about predictive fractal pattern, you are only scratching the surface of the wave forecast, because the wave theory is about predicting the market, forecasting the market. So the fractal pattern that we apply with the Elliott wave theory, especially the first and the second wave, allow us to forecast the next price move. Because we already know the 13 specific price level, the 13 specific wave pattern, but now we want to combine the theory, all right, with, the predictive fractal pattern to develop the skill, all right. The knowledge and the skill will make us a better wave trader. The third tool that I want to stress on or back about, you can see that I'm making my voice, strong, is to get your attention. It's not to I'm not arrogant person, or I'm just talking like this. If this is the first time you are watching this video, don't think that this guy, is too arrogant. No. Talking like this to get your attention, okay? So the third tool is the pitchfork tool, which allows us to forecast the possible path that the multi-wave is likely to take. If it goes above, we know that the trend is becoming strong in an uptrend. If it goes below it, below a declining pitchfork tool, in a downtrend, we know that the downtrend is becoming strong. If it goes back above the declining pitchfork tool, we know that possibility of consolidation or reversal. And now, how one can use the pitchfork tool to forecast to the end of the fifth wave, for instance. All right, this is about the skills. So there are videos already there on our YouTube channel. All right. So know how to use the pitchfork tool to pinpoint reverse at the end of the multi-wave, how to use the pitchfork tool to forecast the end of the fifth wave, and so on. So by accumulating, first, the theory, the knowledge of the Elliott wave theory, the knowledge of the wave principle, the 30 specific Elliott wave pattern, the second wave should not cancel the first wave, the fourth wave should not overlap the first wave. This is about the theory, all right, and so on and so on. What is a complex wave? Where are we likely to see a triangle? What is the indication of an expanding triangle, all right? Different type of corrective wave, all right? What is the structure of a flat correction, and so on and so on. This is about the knowledge. Well, once we have finished with the knowledge, we understand the vocabulary, and the grammar of Elliott wave, the terminology that we use, how we look at the chart, if an Elliott wave trader is looking at this chart, will be his first reaction? How we label a wave? What is the primary wave count? What is the secondary wave count? This is about the knowledge. It's all there on the internet for free. All right. Then we move to the next step, which is more serious. We want to put into use, okay, the knowledge that we have gained. Now, in order to do that, we can now apply a knowledge without the tools. And there are tools that professionals are using: Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci extension, all right, the predictive fractal pattern, not the normal fractal pattern. Mr. Benoit, okay, Mandelbrot, predictive fractal pattern, okay, for trading purposes, and also the pitchfork tool. By combining a solid knowledge, okay, with these three tools, we can now, okay, start a new journey and become a better wave trader. I recommend to traders to watch video that we are recording, talking about how to combine the Elliott wave. Anytime you see a video on our website about how to combine Elliott wave and something, how to combine the Elliott wave and Fibonacci, how to combine the Elliott wave and fractal, how to combine the Elliott wave and pitchfork tool, you know how we can use another tool with the pitchfork tool to forecast the next price move. This is about the skills. So our YouTube channel is about knowledge and skills. That's why if you go to www.24elliottwave, the first long video that only few traders have watched the full length of is there for 1 hour, how to combine the wave principle and the fractal pattern. Because without that, one is only scratching the the surface of the Elliott wave theory. All right? This is the end of this video. To summarize this video, if one wants to become a better wave trader, one must have the adequate knowledge and the skills. And in order to have the adequate skills, one must combine the wave principle with Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci extension, pitchfork tool, and predictive fractal pattern. It takes time, it takes practice. One must use a demo account and continue to work on those skills until one becomes, okay, a better wave trader. If you like this video, please give us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, we want to know, please give us the thumbs down. If you love it, feel free, all right, to share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. If you love our video, please hit the subscribe button. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to become a better wave trader. Thank you for watching, and we will speak to you very soon.